How to use Google Docs voice typing. Google Docs has a feature where you can simply type using your voice. Open a blank sheet or untitled document on your docs. Now you can rename the document if you want. I'm just gonna rename it as voice typing. To enable voice typing in your Google Docs, here you need to go to Tools. Inside Tools, you will see voice typing. Now it says click to speak, so simply click on it. Give permission to use your mic. When it is red like this, you can start speaking, and whatever you speak, it will just write it down. And when it's like this, you cannot speak. So click on it, and when it glows red, then start speaking. Once the text has been written, you can edit it yourself. But in the same way, you can also use the AI feature in the docs to edit the text. Apart from English language, there are also other languages available, so you can select them as per your choice. That's all for today. Thank you.